Now let us see the staff login. So this is the URL of our website mrudulmadhok.co.in. So slash wp dash admin. So this is the URL we need to follow. So the website URL slash wp dash admin. So if you enter, you will see a different screen now. So this is the backend access screen. I will just log in here. So once you log in, it will take you to the dashboard. So here is the dashboard, and as again we have some screen options. We can enable or disable these options. So we can cut few notifications here. So on the dashboard you will see one feature which shows the recent orders for the store. So it may not be specifically for the damn good store or the clothing store, but these are the recent orders. So if you want to pick up any order and talk to the customer, you can just click on the WhatsApp thing, and you can just leave a message to the customer. So basically to recover the abandoned cart or something, this facility can be used. So I have kept this. If you just want to disable this on the staff login, you can go to the screen options and disable it from here. So I have left it open for the staff to check the things if you wish to give this facility to the staff. So as discussed on the WooCommerce, we just need to give the access to the orders to the vendor staff. So this is basically to download the invoices on the order. So this is the facility to download the bulk invoices from the orders. So here also you'll see some screen options. You can enable or disable, or you can just play around on these options. So to filter the orders, it is the same filter that is available here. So you can go to the orders which are having the status as processing, and any order which is received on the store has the status as processing, and the processing will have both the damn good and Mridul Madhok, both the orders. So we need to filter out the damn good orders because on we are on the damn good staff login. So to filter the damn good orders, we need to go to this filter by product post type. So here we need to select the product as simple product. So remember, damn good or products are simple products, and the fashion or the clothing products are the variable products. So we just need to apply this filter here. So this is how you can filter the new orders, and if you wish you can select the orders manually, or if you want to select all the orders which are processing and download the invoices, you can do it from here. So to select all the orders, you can just click on this box, or you can select the orders manually like this. So once you select the orders, go to the bulk actions. So bulk actions basically has different things, and from the drop down you need to select the PDF invoice to download the invoices for the selected orders. So once you select the PDF invoice here, you just need to apply the selection. So once you apply it, you will see the PDF invoices now getting opened on the second screen. So once these invoices are open, you can download or print the invoices from this screen. So this is how the staff login will work, they have another facility to contact the customer in case they want to notify the customer on WhatsApp. So maybe you can click on this window and you can send a message across, and just click on this send button. So this is how the staff login will work. For the courier slip and invoice, as discussed, it will happen from the ShipRocket panel. So you need to share the ShipRocket credentials from your end. Thank you.